morning. This is day 2 in Cairo this time. We're going to have breakfast provided by the hotel, and then the first destination is the pyramids. Very nice. Okay. Demonstration 101.
It's not quite right, because it should be like something to cover your mouth also, right?
Yeah, this is another form of
this is how Palestinian
and
people living
to do like this
yeah.
Countryside.
They want to do the street, they destroyed a lot of buildings that built here before, because the farmers were here and trying to do their garden and their land in this area.
We took an Uber to come from the center to the pyramids. It costed around €10, and we can see the pyramids, one and then the second one there, but it's very, very crowded. Oh my gosh, no line whatsoever, but we made it! Basically where we are now is the main pyramids of Giza. Nas, what are the names of the pyramids?
Khufu, Khafra, Mankara.
Khufu is the big one?
Khufu is the biggest one. Mankara in the middle, and Khafra is the smallest one.
Okay, let's go visit them.
It's okay,
Don't worry.
Here is good touch, madam. Look at this good baby.
to distinguish between other cameras. But these are it's not a tattoo.
Does it have a name?
My name Charlotte Brown.
Charlotte Brown. Is it like a common name for cameras?
No, it's not totally.
This one is the Michael Jackson.
Oh really? Cool camera. Does it sing as well? So this is not counted as a pyramid. This was probably trial. But this is the big pyramid, and this is where we're going to enter right now.
I think we got the wrong pyramid.
Oh really?
This is the biggest one, yeah. I thought this is the one.
Error. Okay.
This is which one is this? Khafra, yeah.
Khafra. Okay, so this is Khafra and this is Khufu. So we're going to Khufu.
Yeah.
But Khufu is not the biggest; it's the medium size.
It's the biggest one.
Okay. Fail. So we thought this is Khafra, but eventually it's where we were before. And when we were there, we thought that we don't have the right ticket for that pyramid, but for this one. Big fail, but we will go back. It's fine. They don't accept this ticket here. Where are the guys? Do you see my friends? But my other friends. No? Okay, we'll find them. No, they are not. Thank you.
Where you come from?
Yunnan. For Yunnan, okay?
Okay.
Second.
Sakrem.
Enjoy fun.
This is how it looks from inside.
I can already feel the humidity actually and the lack of oxygen.
We're going to climb inside the building. Try to protect your head, please.
Oh my god.
And there's no way back now. You can't go. This one's scary.
Oh gosh.
Quickly, please, quickly.
Yeah.
Quickly.
Okay, it's much better now.
I will never take my kid.
I was not prepared for this. I can already freak out just thinking the way back.
What scared me a lot, there's no being in charge here.
I will take my jacket out. I hope it's okay.
Hi. Come, step here.
Okay, let's continue. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's really not what I had in mind.
This is where he what's his tongue?
This one.
Yeah, this one. It should be here. It's not here.
Wow. Basically, you just go up, and you come to this room. It's maybe 30 square meters. I'm sweating so much right now. Like I'm all sweaty. No ventilation whatsoever.
A little bit. I have to choose the way.
I follow you. Okay, here it's pretty easy, yes? Not many people. We are standing. We can breathe better.
That's how you obey to see the king.
Exactly. You should suffer.
You should suffer, yes. Yeah, yes, like this. But you are protecting your head. Only your shoulder touch it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I'm just thinking how I entered and how I go down, you know, sweating without my jacket, without my scarf. Wow, all goes.
Oh.
Ah, but I'm glad we did it.
Yeah, me too. This is exit guy.
Woo! Air!
Oh, I'm alive.
Okay, and final stop to kiss this Phoenix. We are leaving the pyramids and we are going to have some Hawa, it's like Hawaii shi. Hawaushi.
Yeah, exactly.
It's bread
Wow.
with mozzarella, something like cream cheese. It's very greasy. It has been
Really?
fried. Bon up!
Oh, very nice thing.